Mr. S, a cheerful teacher with sparkly glasses, enters his bright classroom as the children greet him with bright enthusiasm. He picks up his chalk, ready to start the day, but a sudden sneeze erupts. Achoo! The letters on the board spring to life, dancing and twirling in a whimsical ballet. The A twirls, the B bounces, and the C cartwheels, creating a spectacle of animated alphabet. The children erupt in laughter and applause, their faces lit up with amazement at the magical display. Mr. S smiles kindly, teaching science, unaware of the magical sneeze about to transform his classroom. Achoo! Tiny rainbows erupt from Mr. S's nose, filling the air with impossible colors. Giggles explode as students abandon their desks, chasing the shimmering arcs of light in joyful abandon. Sparkles trail across desks as the rainbows are touched, bathing the classroom in an ethereal, vibrant glow. Sunlight streams into the classroom as Mr. S struggles to contain a sneeze, a playful spark in his eyes. His face contorts in a comical grimace, the anticipation building before the inevitable release. Achoo! Mr. S exclaims, and a banner magically unfurls. Learning is magic. See, kids. Every day in class can be magical. Mr. S proclaims, his voice filled with warmth. The students cheer, their faces lighting up with the understanding of learning's true magic.